It begins not with a seed, but with an idea, a space for sun, for growth, for nourishment. Here, in the vibrant chaos of the PNG jungle, we start by listening, then by carefully making room. The first step is respect. We chop only what we need, clearing the larger trees for timber, letting the light reach the forest floor. Then, the undergrowth. The thick bush and vines are cleared with machetes, a symphony of steady, swishing cuts. What cannot be used, we return to the earth. We build a careful, controlled fire. The smoke rises, a signal of transformation. Here, we burn the thorny, unwanted materials, turning them into potent ash, nature's own fertilizer, cooking the soil for what is to come. With the canvas cleared and enriched, the real work begins. The soft, dark soil, now warm and fed by ash, is turned. We mound it into neat, long rows, protecting from rain, inviting the sun. Then, the planting, a sacred act. Corn kernels tucked into pockets of earth, sweet potato slips laid gently along the mounds. Greens, pumpkins, taro, each seed and seedling a promise to the future. And then we wait, we tend. We guard against the eager jungle that always remembers its borders. And slowly life answers. Green shoots break the dark soil. Tendrils reach for the light. Leaves unfurl, broad and confident. The garden begins to breathe. A new rhythm emerging from the old. Where once was towering, impenetrable green, now there are rows of emerald, gold and scarlet. From jungle to garden, it is not a fight, but a conversation, a partnership with the land. It is the oldest story in Papua New Guinea, written again and again, with sweat, with fire and with patience, yielding a harvest that feeds both body and spirit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to watching more about PNG.